How do I recharge myself as a mariner? How do I increase my finance? How do I win this court case? I have a court case, and how do I win it? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching me from. This is Ijelewani Review. If you're seeing my face for the first time, I'm from Ebonyi State, Nigeria, and that is where I live. Here in my page, I talk about health and spiritual tips. Here I teach you how life is made easy with herbs, roots, and animal. If that is what you want, you're welcome. If you have not subscribed in this my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload video in this my channel, you'll be the first to get notified. And for my returning subscribers, you're welcome. Thank you for being part of this wonderful family. All right, let's get into the teaching. All you need in this journey or in this ritual is a white bowl, yes, whether ceramic plate, rubber plate, or white basin. We deal with white. That is why I suggest you carry white basin. You can put well water, rain water, stream water, beach water in that bowl. That is what you fill the bowl in, fill it to the brim. Then, if you're trying to recharge yourself, you've been doing work and you say you're feeling sick because of the negative energy you've absorbed from people, and you're always down after doing work for people. This is what you should do. Get palm front, the one that is not yet strong, among the yellow part. Pull out 7 pieces from it, add to that water. Go to the stream. When you're fetching that water, you always see this kind of stone there. Pick 7 pieces of it, add it to that water. Then start praying. Before then, you on your white candle. You put one here on your front, you put one at the side, and at the side you kneel here facing the water. On your candle, on your incense, any kind of incense, whether 77, guardian angel, 999, any incense of your choice, whether gravel incense, on it. Start praying. Make your intention. How to summon spirit. You summon the spirit you want to summon by calling you forces and powers in charge of River Niger. Whether it's that one you want to call, you call. All you forces and powers in charge of Ngene, you call. You forces, dear forces and power in charge of, you call any water of your choice that you believe in, that they are there, you call on them. Tell them that, introduce yourself, so person is calling them. They should come and help you in this journey that you're here for. You call also on your ancestors, your spiritual guides. They should come and help you. Though they are always there, in case of your spiritual guides, they are always there to attend to you, unless you have sent them too much errand. That is when they will not be around you. They'll go for an errand. Me, I don't send all of them. I reserve some that will be helping me within. Then you say it. You can make this prayer 3 days, 7 days, or 21 days. After making the prayers, you carry some water and splash on your body from that water. Then go to bed. Do this prayer in between 11:30 to 12. Be awake. Before you start the prayer, if you did not bathe at night before sleeping, try and bathe. And it's not going to make love with your partner. avoid sex for the meantime. Then splash a little, go and lie down after making prayer. These ones are for people that want to recharge themselves. Then if you have a court case, 2 days before that day, start the prayer. What you should add in that your water is broken bottle that you don't know who broke it. Pick it, add it there. Then you can get a knife if you're praying for justice. Your hand, before you do this, make sure your hand is clean, oh, that you're not the one causing those people harm, that you're not guilty of why they took you to court. There is one sword that they are selling in spiritual shop. You can get it, or you get a little knife, knife, add it to that water, and that broken bottle, you don't know who broke it. Start making your prayers. Still call on, oh Goddess, oh God, and spiritual forces in charge of River Benue. You call. I'm here in Nigeria, so you can call anyone you, whichever country you are. You can call the gods and goddesses in charge of any water you know. You call them. They should come and assist you. You lay your problems. Introduce yourself that you are so person that come from water and reincarnate to this earth. But if you are not from water, you can still get help from water. You still call them. Then after that, still keep that water there. Let that light be on for like 1 hour after prayer. Then you will use your hand to off the lights. Let that candle, let that incense, let it burn all. Do not off it. You can on 7 incense or 3 incense at a spot. Then if you're looking for finance, then after that, before I go to finance, after that, still leave that water there. The second day you pray, then the day to that day you're going to that prayer, you still to that pot, you still make the prayers and let the candle off by itself. Then if you're looking for finance, you put a coin inside that water. You put a coin inside the water. Any currency of your choice, paper money, you add it there. Then after making you still call the way I called the other time. The same thing, that is what you will do. Call on any water forces, spirit forces in the water you are making use of. Me, I have a particular water I use for my work, so I call on them. So you do it. Then the last day of all the prayers, you use that water to take your bath. But for those that are going for court case, you go and throw that water on the straight road. Do not use it to bathe. You that have court case, do not use the water to bathe. Then when you're throwing the water, go early in the morning to throw the water on the road, then still say a word. Then after that, go back and lie down. In the morning, arrange yourself and go to the court. Come back and tell me what you experience. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Please stay safe. See you on my next video. I leave you with peace and love. I love you guys. Bye. You can ask me questions, comment on the comment section below. Tell me what you've experienced. Just join me and start following me. Alright? I will attend to any question you ask me. I told you distance is not a barrier. If you need any of my products or services like consultation or any kind of spiritual work at all, you can connect me on my only WhatsApp number on the screen, 090612811100. I love you guys. Bye.